Hi, welcome. I'm back today with a few more projects that I've made for my craft fair. Hopefully I can give you some great ideas, and like I always say, if you're not a craft fair maker, I can still give you some ideas for some great gifts for Christmas for people that you know. Okay, if you've watched past videos, you were able to see these reindeer cocoa pouches that I made, and I decided to have ChatGPT help me write a little poem, and here it is. A reindeer's nose so bright and sweet holds cocoa magic, what a treat. Stir it up with peppermint delight and sip some Christmas joy tonight. And then I found a cute little reindeer in Canva that kind of matches him, so I just wanted you to see that cute little poem. I think it just adds a special little extra touch. So, again, I sell these for $3.50. Okay, next. I've done these Uno cards the last couple of years. These are just little Uno card decks that you can find at the dollar store, at Dollar Tree. And then I added an airhead, a snowman clip art, and then ChatGPT said, skip the stress, draw some cheer. It's Christmas Uno. Fun is here. And I'm selling these for $2.75. And then this year at Dollar Tree, I also found Phase 10. Same price I'm selling them for. Phase by phase, the fun won't end. A perfect game for family and friends. So those are all... These, I think these sell a lot for stocking stuffers and for kids to give to their friends for Christmas. Okay, and then last year, after clearance Christmas sale at Hobby Lobby, I got these Christmas tree mugs. So I've put it in a bag with some fake snow and some fake little snowballs. There's cocoa, the little marshmallow bags I get at Oriental Trading. A peppermint stick. These are Bob's peppermint sticks. You can get those on Amazon. And these spoons I got in the Target bullseye section this year. And I just think it's super cute. The lid comes off right here. And then I've got my little hug in a mug that I made. And then the ribbon says Merry Christmas. I got that at Hobby Lobby. And I just think it packaged up super cute. I'm selling that for $10. So I only have 2 of those because that's the only mugs that I found last year on clearance, was the 2. And then if you're a Costco shopper, Costco's had these the last few years. These are hand soaps. They're just so cute. They have all different kinds. So I've put it in a bag with fake snow, some little... fake snowballs, some pom-poms, and then this is a little old-fashioned boot Christmas ornament that I had in my stash. And then I threw in some peppermints, tied a bow, added a bell, and I'm selling these for $7. They turned out super cute. Okay, next, I was at Dollar Tree not too long ago. And I must have hit just a really good day because I found Nightmare Before Christmas. This is Crumbles blueberry scented bath salts, and then a lavender mint scented bath balm. And if you'll notice, if you've watched my video on how to make the beaded candy canes, here's the beaded candy cane I made. And that's a Jack Skellington face. I got these beads off of, I think, Amazon, or maybe Temu or AliExpress. But then I added these clip arts that I purchased. And then I made this tag, twinkling lights and spirits near. It's Christmas fun with a dash of fear. So take a soak and wind, be merry. Even ghosts love holly and berries. I think that turned out super cute. And then this black crepe paper. I just sewed it and I gathered it as I sewed. just to kind of, you know, to act kind of like a bag topper. I really like how these came out, and I'm selling these for $7.99. So I'm excited. I bet you these will go quick. And I only have about, I don't know, I think 17 packages, something like that. I bought the whole, both of these, you know, were in boxes with little things that hang. I just picked up both boxes and took them to the cashier and said, I want to buy these box and all. Okay, the last thing I have today, I've been going through my stash, trying to clear out some things. In my stash, had these cute soup bowls, and these came from Big Lots, which has gone out of business now. I don't know if you ever had Big Lots in your state. And the red truck has been so popular. I've had these for, gosh, maybe 3 or 4 years. But look how cute this turned out. I'm so excited about this. I can hardly stand it. Because also in my stash, I had these snowmen that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby for 75% off a couple of years ago. So I just had this idea to put the snowman in the bowl. And then this is a package of Cheez-Its. And then this is a package of chicken noodle soup. But look, Snowman condensed soup. And this printable came from Suzieqscrafts. I use her stuff quite a bit. And I'll put her link below. And all you do is just print this, cut it out, and tape it on. And then I used this darling striped ribbon. And then here's the poem. When winter winds begin to blow, warm up your heart from head to toe. A bowl of soup, a snowman too, a cozy gift that's just for you. And then I added this snowman. And I've got some little fake snow in the bottom of the package. So I'm just thrilled with how these came out. I had 6 of them, and I'm selling them for $20. So that's it for this video. I hope that I've inspired you or have given you some cute ideas. So I'll be on with more. So keep looking for more videos. Thank you, and have a great day.